So again, the first thing we have to do is creating a new file in the program. So open HEC RAS. Go to File, New Project, and give the name example 3. Okay. Now we proceed to enter the geometric data. So click on Enter Edit Geometric Data. Go to River Reach. And now for this example, we will draw the channel to scale. So at the lower right corner here we have the coordinates. Now as we have 2000 meters length, we are going to make it to correspond to 0.4 meters. So we go to the x coordinate 0, click, and then move 0.4 meters. 0.4. Okay. Then the second stretch is 1500 meters. So we add 0.3 meters more. It would be 0.7. 0.7. And the third one is 2500 meters. So we add 0.5 meters more. It would be 1.2. 1.2. Double click, and now we set the names for the river and the ridge. River, ridge. Okay.